Hello guys, in today's tutorial we will see how you can take the backup of file, whether it is Excel or Word, because in maximum cases we use for entering information we use Word and Excel file. So our data should be protected as well as we have to take the backup. Okay, so in the previous tutorial I told you how you can enter the password in Excel file. Now I am telling you how you can take the backup, so that in case your data is corrupted, then also, or in case your file is deleted, then also you can recover back your file. So now we start how you can take the backup. So first upon, here I have already made one file. So here I open this file. So here I am telling you the essential steps which is required for taking the backup. So click on file and select save as. Here save as dialog box open. So here I am changing name. So book12 is my backup file. Now here you click on tool option, select general option, and here you select always create backup. Okay, once you click there, just click on OK and here click on save. Now I minimize this and you observe here two files have been created, book1 and book12. So book1 is my original file, and whenever I do the changes in the file, that data will be stored in the book12 file also. So that is known as my backup file. So this is my original file and this is the backup file. So I hope friend you understood how you can take the backup. The steps are very easy for understanding. So I hope you understood this tutorial. Thank you.